If you're experiencing login issues on Uber Eats, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Uber Eats app. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install any available updates. An outdated app may cause login problems. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you are still having trouble, try clearing the app cache. Go to your device settings, find the Uber Eats app, and select the option to clear cache. This can help resolve any temporary issues. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Uber Eats customer support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any login issues you encounter on Uber Eats. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.